Let's look at how to easily create a new calendar on an iPhone using the Calendar app. And after we create the new calendar, I'll then show you how to quickly add a new entry to any day. Start by finding and then opening the Calendar app on your iPhone. Once you're here on the home page and see the full calendar in the month view, you'll see calendars here at the bottom. Choose that. Inside of here, you'll see all of the calendars that you've already created, either manually or the ones that are created automatically and you're subscribed to. At the bottom of the page, hit Add Calendar and then Add Calendar again. First, give your new calendar a name. This can be whatever you want, just something that stands out and that you'll remember. After that, make sure that it's connected to the correct account, normally just your main iCloud account, and then give your new calendar a color. This will color code it from the rest. Once you're finished, hit Done here on the top right of the screen. Make sure that your new calendar is selected here so that you can view it, and when you're ready, hit Done. You'll then see any of the events that are added to this new calendar, and they'll be color coded to the color that you just chose. To add a new entry on any day of your new calendar, just choose the day that you want, and then tap the plus sign here on the top right. Next, go through and then fill in all the info that you want for your event. Give it a name and or a location. Choose whether it's an all-day event or just for specific times, and then any other info that you want to include and set up. Before we add it, just make sure that the calendar here is set to the calendar that you just created. When you're ready, tap Add here on the top right. You'll then see that the new event has been added to the calendar that you just created, and next to it is the color code that you chose. And that's how you create and then add events to a new calendar on an iPhone.